Hello and welcome, everyone, to Unit 2, Measurement of Electrical Quantities in our Basic Electrical and Electronics series. Today's topic is Measuring Voltage, Current, and Power. Let's begin and see why accurate measurement is so important in any electrical circuit. In this session, we'll cover the importance of measurement in electrical systems, difference between analog and digital instruments, how to use a voltmeter, ammeter, and wattmeter, and finally, a quick summary with key points to remember. Let's begin with the basics. Measurement is crucial in electrical circuits. Without measuring key quantities like voltage, current, and power, we cannot design, test, troubleshoot, or operate any electrical system safely. That's why accurate measurement tools are essential in engineering and maintenance. There are three basic electrical quantities we usually measure: voltage, V, the electrical pressure or potential difference; current, I, the flow of electric charge through a conductor; power, P, the rate at which electrical energy is used. Let's now understand how to measure each of these accurately. There are two types of measuring instruments: analog and digital. Analog instruments use pointers and dials like the classic needle-type meters. Digital instruments show the value directly on an LCD or LED screen. Digital meters are more accurate, easy to read, and widely used today, but analog meters are still useful for observing trends and variations. A voltmeter is used to measure the voltage across two points in a circuit. It is always connected in parallel, so it can compare the potential difference between two terminals. It must have high internal resistance, so it doesn't draw current or affect the circuit. The unit of voltage is volts, V. An ammeter is used to measure current in a conductor. It is always connected in series so that the full current flows through the meter. It must have very low internal resistance, so it does not drop voltage or interrupt the flow. Current is measured in amperes, A. A wattmeter measures the power consumed in a circuit. It is used in both AC and DC circuits. A wattmeter has two coils: a current coil connected in series, a voltage coil connected in parallel. Together, they calculate the real power consumed. Power is measured in watts, W. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. To measure voltage, use a voltmeter connected in parallel. To measure current, use an ammeter connected in series. To measure power, use a wattmeter connected with both series and parallel coils. Always consider internal resistance and loading effect to get accurate and reliable readings. Choosing the right instrument is the first step to correct measurement. That brings us to the end of this session on measuring voltage, current, and power. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and clear electrical engineering videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.